Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has been conferred with the prestigious Maharji Shinde Rashtriya Gaurav Award. However, this has become a fresh point of contention not between the ruling and opposition, but rather two allies. Now, this comes after Sharad Pawar lauded Eknath Shinde for his governance during the award ceremony where the Deputy Chief Minister was honoured. Speaking at the 98th All India Marathi Literary Conference in Delhi, veteran leader Sharad Pawar praised Eknath Shinde for his ability to work across party lines for Maharashtra's development. But the comments have not gone down well in the UBT Sena camp. Sanjay Raut has criticized his alliance leader for attending a function in which Eknath Shinde was present. My colleague Srushti is now joining us with more details on this. Srushti, it seems like all is not well within the Mahavikas Aghadi, where one ally is praising Eknath Shinde, whereas the other is slamming that particular ally for doing so.
Well, of course, that is what is transpiring in the state of Maharashtra. Yesterday, importantly, Eknath Shinde has received an award in Delhi. The award was named after a great person called Maharji Shinde, and that award was Maharji Shinde Rashtriya Gaurav Award, and that was given to Eknath Shinde by Sharad Pawar. And that has sparked a row, is what we can understand. Sanjay Raut has critically mentioned that Sharad Pawar should have not gone to that particular event where such kind of person was present. Such kind of person means Eknath Shinde, the Gaddar who has done the Gaddari with the party, he was present, and that's why he should have not gone, and that is what is the statement of Sanjay Raut. Importantly, yesterday in that particular award ceremony, Eknath Shinde also praised Sharad Pawar. He mentioned that he has this habit of putting googly in the politics, but I hope that he won't put any kind of googly on me, and we have a good relationship with each other, and that's what was mentioned by Eknath Shinde. And also Sharad Pawar praised Eknath Shinde, mentioned the fact that someone needed to be a strong person in the politics in Thane, and that is the person Eknath Shinde who has carved his way out, and he has done a good governance. He has spoken about the well of the districts, the well of the state, and he was a good chief minister. And this was the context of Sharad Pawar's statement, which he has mentioned yesterday in the award ceremony. So of course this has sparked the row. UBT has not liked the presence of Sharad Pawar at that particular event, and that photo which is coming up from the award ceremony, that Sharad Pawar is giving the award to Eknath Shinde and giving him the prestigious hat and the token of appreciation for his work. Of course that has gone against the UBT Sena, and they are criticizing this.